3 weeks old today. Happy birthday, puppies. Oh, goodness. They're getting a good meal today. They are, and I always put my hand in. There's a lot of little things I do to make sure that they don't have bad habits or develop bad things. Like, they should never be upset that my hand's in there when they're eating. And right now it's a dog pile. I'm not going to have my hand in there as much this time, simply because I'm recording. Today they're going to get an outside area for a few hours, not too long. But I'm going to make that and right now the pool is strictly used for feeding. They have a whole sleep play area, and they're still using their heating mat, although I think I'm turning it off today because it's warm and our nights are going to be warm, so I don't think they need it so much. Everybody's eating so good. Zena's spending less time with them, but she's still very concerned if they make a lot of noise. What's the matter? Get in there. Come on. Get in there. Since we're doing scuba diving names, we got 2 of the girls named. Of course, we've had the boys named. Now we have 2 of the girls named. And this one here, I haven't decided which is which. One is going to be Patty, and the other little girl is a mirror. The black is on the opposite side. So that's going to be Nowie. So we're going to have Patty and Nowie on the girls. Those 2. The dad's beside me stealing food. I'm letting him. He's a good boy. Alright, I think feeding time's about done. I'm still not letting him eat too much, but now we're going to twice a day, so I'll give another feeding this evening. Mom is still on 3 meals a day. She's still producing a lot of milk. This little guy is king of the pile. He's sitting on your head. See if we... He's sitting on your head. There you go. Okay. That's all I'm going to record right now, because if I go over 4 minutes, it takes forever to upload. I'm already over 4 minutes. But they are excessively cute, beautiful, growing perfectly.